Assalamu alaikum, this is Q from Q's Basic Cooking, and today I'm going to make tikka, chicken tikka in a very easy way. I have one chicken breast split into half, and one big bell pepper. I'm going to use half or a little more than that onion, and squeeze some lemon over it. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to peel that plastic off the chicken. It's half frozen. This way I can cut it easily. So I'm going to cut the chicken and marinate it. So let me deal with the chicken and then I'll be back. So you see the chicken cuts better when it's half frozen. I cubed the chicken. It turns out there are two different halves of chicken breast. It's not the same chicken, I can tell the difference. One is darker, one is lighter. Anyway, who cares? So these are the spices, and that's the dahi, and that's the chicken. So I'm going to put everything in one place and dump the masalas, dump the dahi, and marinate it for 1 hour. Okay, so in goes all spices. I'm keeping very mild spices. Like I always tell you guys, I don't want to put too much. You can always add more if you want, but I like to keep it light with the basic spices, very basic spices. Alrighty, so let's mix that up. Before I can mix it, I'm throwing in the lemon peel, and there goes lemon juice. That's 1/4 cup. It's going to stay in the bottom because it's just for marinade. Don't worry about it. It's not too much. So I'm going to leave the lemon peel in there, and I'm going to mix everything. Alrighty, this is ready to sit down now for a while I'm going to go and cut the pepper and onions. And salt and pepper is always according to your taste. Some like more, some like less. So I never make this much pepper and this much salt or this spice, that spice an issue, because everybody have a different taste. Just go with the basics. Put little or put more. If you follow the basic recipe, you can always make it according to your own taste. So let's go and cut the onion and the peppers. I have cut lengthwise and seeded the pepper. So like this, I'm just going to cut cubes out of it, just like that. And we are going to do the same thing with the onion. Try to cut cubes out of it. That's why I picked a big onion. Same thing with onion. I took a large onion, then I sliced it lengthwise. Now I'm going to cut the cubes. Alrighty, here's the onion. I will just pick up those cubes and use them. I think we are ready. Yes, we are ready for our simple basic tikka. We have bell pepper ready, onions ready, we have some skewers over there, and we have the chicken marinating over there. So what else do we need now? We are going to need a grill pan because there's no outdoor grilling in this building. So what I'm doing is onion to chicken to pepper to chicken to onion to chicken to pepper. So just one by one time pepper, then next onion, then pepper, then onion. This one is ready. Let me make more. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we have enough tikkas to start. Let's get ready. Take them to the grill pan. It is nice and hot, and I just greased it, so it looks pretty good. There you go. Enjoy the sizzle. Alright, in 2 minutes I'm going to turn it. This is the easiest way of making chicken tikka, and it's ready. We did few spices that I will put in the list. You can see it as usual. I'll write it down. And then we have tomatoes and onion salad with it. Goes very well with chicken tikka kebab. And I'm ready to eat. I'm going with rice. You can serve it with naan, roti, plain rice, any kind of salad you like. And there you go. Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. Bismillah. And that's how we are having it. Our dinner for today is ready. We are going to serve it with rice. And this is the simple basic ingredients chicken tikka. Make it and let me know how it turns out. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz. Bye bye. See you guys later with something else soon. Bye.